The no coffee machine challenge. No espresso maker. No French press. Just pure desperation and hope. Step 1, boil water like it is a survival test. Step 2, grab a mug, a spoon, and pray to the caffeine gods. Add instant coffee. Too easy. So I used grounds. In a sock. Do not ask. Stir. Wait. Strain it through a paper towel. Congratulations, you have just invented sad press coffee. Desperate? Maybe. Caffeinated? Definitely. Get actual working hacks at healthboostpro.system.io. The taste? Somewhere between victory and regret. But hey, it works. No machine? No problem. Find real hacks at healthboostpro.system.io. Subscribe so I can prove you wrong tomorrow.